Ever wondered why some plants just seem to thrive when planted together? This is no happy accident. It's the result of companion planting. This gardening method is a strategic way to encourage plants to grow together in harmony, offering numerous benefits. It can help control pests naturally, maximize your garden space, and even promote overall plant health. And it's not just about vegetables. Flowers, herbs, and even fruits can form fruitful relationships too. Now you're probably asking, how does one go about companion planting? Companion planting is a simple process. It starts with understanding your plants. The first step is research. Dive into the world of your plants. Get to know their likes and dislikes. Are they sun worshippers or shade seekers? Do they enjoy being watered frequently, or do they prefer drier conditions? And most importantly, do they play well with others? Some plants thrive in the company of certain companions, while others might stunt their growth. Once you've gathered all this information, it's time to plan your garden layout. This is step 2. Consider each plant's needs and position them accordingly. Make sure every plant gets its due, be it sunshine, shade, or soil nutrients. The final step is to plant them together and monitor their growth. Keep an eye out for any signs of distress and adjust accordingly. Remember, the key to successful companion planting is understanding your plants and their needs. So, to recap on companion planting, it's all about knowing your plants, thoughtfully plotting your garden's blueprint, and keeping a keen eye on their development. Companion planting is a great way to maximize your garden's potential. And that's a brief look at the world of companion planting. It's a simple way to boost your garden's productivity and health. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy planting!